I don't need to go to work yet. I can wait. I've made it to work on time this late. I've been this late before. They probably wouldn't care. Yeah, I can't come in. I'm too sick. Okay, oh man, I gotta go. I gotta go. I could use a day off anyway. I don't need to sleep in bed. The chair's just fine. Well, I did have a big dinner. I could hold off eating till lunch. I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, came out of nowhere. It's a doozy. It's gonna take me a while. Yeah, I gotta go. I need some garbage bags, gas, and Quikrete. Alright, bye. See you next week. Yeah, love you too. Bye. I can hold it. I'm so thirsty. 5 more minutes.